Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Not that neat of a design. And if you want to take a screenshot of that right there, that's what you need. But I never contour in color. I always contour outlines. So I'm going to take a 10-inch ellipse and I'm going to do the exact same thing I did yesterday. I've got my nudge factor set on 5. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. Then I'm going to select both these. I'm going to Control G to group them. Then I'm going to hit P to put them in the center of the page because we're going to use the center of the page to do this. Now what you need to do, you need to make a new shape. And this one I'm going to use maybe a dark blue. Now I'm going to take away the outline, but I'm going to take away the fill, but I'm going to add an outline so I can see the black. Now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it to the center. And now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. So this is the shape we want. So I'm going to fill that in and move it out of the way twice. I'm going to go in and delete this. I'm going to put that back twice. I'm using my arrow keys. And I'm going to go in and Control D and make a duplicate. And then move the rotation of this 90 degrees. So I'm going to have 4 colors, but I'm going to Control D and 180. Control D. Now we got 4 colors. If we go, we're going to change the fill to this light blue. And look at that. I've got it set on to the center 0.001. Now all I have to do is click on that one. And we're doing these individually. Now I do not know why that's happening. It actually did it on the yellow one. It's too hard to rotate like this one. There's something, you know what? Let's do this. Let's try this. Control G to group them, and then rotate this 90 degrees. Let's see if this makes any difference. Go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then grab that. So there's something with the contour going this direction. So if that ever happens, there's another lesson. Let's add a black box around this and just see what it looks like. To me, it always helps it stand out. Make it black, object, order, back of page. See how it just makes it kind of like pop? Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.